In this year, we'll be looking at Adobe Media Encoder. This tool is really great for when you have to convert a video or sound file into another format. You might need to do this if a student is, say, having issues with uploading a particular file format. So to do this, you type in encoder. Now, if you haven't got this downloaded, just as you had to do with Adobe Acrobat, you might have to download it or get installed by System Administrator. To my knowledge, this is included with all New South Wales teachers, whether you're government, Catholic, or independent. You should be able to get this. So you launch Adobe Media Encoder. So what you want to do is you want to hit the plus add source to add any videos or audio files that you need to convert. So we go to plus, then you navigate through until you find a video that you have having problems with. So let's just say it's this video here. And then what you need to do is you can then select on the drop down here what sort of video format. My recommendation is you use the H.264, which is an MP4 format, as it's quite universal for videos. You can also convert any other sort of format. What I'm suggesting I recommend is to change the bitmap down to medium, as this is much better for, especially if you're streaming it. And then you can click on the output file and you can save which location you want it to go to. And you can also give it a name. And then you can do this multiple times and you can batch them so you can let them run. And then when you're ready, you press the start queue. And then what it'll do is it will rip, which means it will convert it and you'll be able to see it go frame by frame through, and it'll give you an estimate time until it's finished. Okay, so you know it's finished because it'll have the green ticks. And then what you can do is you can go to location. You can see here I have my two videos, which have been converted to MP4, and they're ready to go. So in summary, this is a really good tool, the Media Encoder, if you have an issue with a student not being able to run a video format, like say WMV or something like that. You can rip it or change it to a more common format, especially when you're uploading to sites like YouTube.